This is your fourth assignment of list in Python, and again you're going to use the same process of searching in list. Means you're going to use the same linear search method for solving these questions. So you know that what is the linear search is. That there is the program I have already written here. You need to go through that also, that how the process of linear search is going to work, and the questions are according to that. There is a sample for you. Now the question is like this, that program to search number of 2 from a list shown below and change the value to 200. That means you need to find out all the 2 from a list given here and change these 2 to 200. मतलब उसके अंदर जाके you have to change these 2 to 200. इनको सारे 2 को आपने चेंज कर देना है. मीन्स आपको यहाँ सारे 2 ढूंढने हैं और ढूंढने के बाद उन सबको 200 200 200 पे चेंज कर देना है. The process is going to be same. You need to use the same process. First declare the list, then second is going to be find the length, then you need to change that, so that it means this line is not going to be used. हमें काउंटिंग नहीं करनी है, तो remove that. हमने काउंटिंग की लाइन को हटा दिया. Now what is the line that needed? For x in range 0 to k. 0 means starting from the first index, that is this one, and k up to the last number, that is this 1 to this. Same process in the while case also. While में देखो ऐसे हुआ है, x start from 0 from here and up to the k, that means up to the 1. Now करना क्या है इसमें? We have to find the number that is 2. तो कैसे करते हैं in a linear search? You have to write down if a of x को equal to 2. Means क्या उसके अंदर a of x means x is going to be 0 1 2 3. Means first time 5, then 2, then 7, then 2, then 3, like this. And every time you have to check it is equals to 2 in both the cases. अगर ऐसा है, if it happens to find out that yes there is a 2 is there, तो change that value means override the value. Means wherever the 2 is there, it going to be changed to 200. 200 में change हो जाएगा. When everything is going to be finished, you come out of the for loop, बाहर आके you print the list, that list you have created in both the cases, and it will generate the output like this. It will change all the 2 to 200. We override the value. Second one more is there, the program to search number of 2 from a list and shown below and change the value by adding +2 to it and other number to -2. Means जितने नंबर में 2 मिल रहा है उनमें तो 20 को ऐड कर दो, all the numbers into. That means every number is going to be 22, and other numbers जितने भी 5 7 3 then 4 then 8 3, these are going to be minus by 2. इनको आपको subtract करना है. So this is your list. Here is the list of numbers. Same way, again we don't need counting, we just erase that. Now what you have to do, same thing, k is going to find out the length of the list. x will start from 0 से k तक, मतलब from 5 up to 10 तक का चलेगा. And what you have to check, that the number is 2 or not, is if a of x is equals to 2. If yes, then this line is going to be executed in both the cases. Otherwise jump to else part में जाएगा और हर नंबर से वो क्या कर देगा, -2 कर देगा. Means first time if the value of x is 0, it is 5, वो कहाँ जाएगा, else part, -2 it will become 3. Next case x will be at 2, yes it is true, then it becomes 22. Same way in 7, same way 2, same way 3, like this it goes on. And at last when the loop is going to finish, outer part में बाहर आकर के हम लिखेंगे print a, it will display us an output like this. ये देखो, here it is. Now related to these two sample questions answers, here is the two questions are going to be there. One is here that you have to search -2 and -3. Now you have to search -2 and -3. जितने भी -2 और -3 हैं, the value is going to be changed to -1111. If I make any other value, that is, देखो there is a +2 is there, उसको नहीं change होगा. If I'm going to make -4, it remain as it is. Why? It only going to search -2 and -3. इस 4 को नहीं change करेगा, only 2 को और 3 को change करेगा. 4 is not going to be there. If 4 is positive or negative, it remain 4 only. तो उसमें नहीं होगा, सिर्फ 2 में और ये तो -3 मिलेंगे उसमें. You know that how you have to do it. और कंडीशन पुट करनी है, दो चीज़ सर्च करनी है. मीन्स दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी देयर, यही क्वेश्चन आपको यूज़ करना है. यहाँ पर आपने यू हैव टू पुट और एंड अगेन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन, बट यू हैव टू पुट नेगेटिव साइन कि वो -2 और -3 है या नहीं है. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? सर्च -2 और -3 फ्रॉम ए लिस्ट एंड चेंज देयर वैल्यू टू -111 अदर नंबर टू 100. मीन्स इसमें तो हम कोई चेंजेस नहीं कर रहे थे. नाउ वी मेकिंग अ चेंजेस दैट ऑल द नंबर्स विच आर पॉजिटिव उनको तो हमने क्या कर देना है, 100 कर देना है, और जितने भी नेगेटिव -2 और 3 मिलेंगे उन सबको हमने -111 कर देना है. मीन्स उनमें सारे ही ऐसे all the numbers are going to be changed. What is the next one? Now we have to search all the negative numbers. Means we are not selective negative numbers को हमने नहीं सर्च करना है, अब सारे नेगेटिव नंबर सर्च करने हैं एंड उन सारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स को -1 बना देना है और जितने पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हैं उनको 10 कर देना है. दैट मीन्स दिस 5, 7, 12, 13, 34 एंड 8 ये सब 10 हो जाएंगे एंड -2, -6, -3 एंड 42 will change to -1. It means you have to put less than 0. लेस देन 0 की कंडीशन लगानी कि क्या नंबर जो है 0 से छोटे होते हैं तो क्या होता है, नेगेटिव होता है. दैट मीन्स दैट कंडीशन यू हैव टू पुट हियर, देन यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आउटपुट लाइक दिस. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, दैट टू ऐड +5 टू ऑल द इवन नंबर्स एंड मल्टीप्लाई to all the odd numbers by 5. means अपने कंडीशन चेक करनी है कि these numbers are even or odd. if they are even numbers then add +5. if they are odd numbers then multiply by 5. this output will be generated. that means if I moved up, इस सैम्पल में आ जाए तो this is going to be used. ये वाला यूज़ करोगे and what you have to put here, इस जगह में a of x इवन कैसे निकालते हैं, %2 is equals to this will change to 0. if it is 0 then what happen here, this part is of even and this part is going to be of, ये odd का बन जाएगा, ये even का बन जाएगा. अगर वो 2 से डिवाइड होकर रिमाइंडर 0 निकल के आ गया तो it will be the even part and ये वाला odd part. तो whatever condition is for even put it here and whatever is for odd put here. Now we move to the next one. अब next question क्या है, this one we have done odd and even number. What is the next one? Write a Python program to add +5 to all the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 7 and other numbers subtract by 7. Means same concept of even and odd. In place of even number you have to check two things. One is 3, then again or, then again one condition and check with the %7. and if both are equal, if any one of it is equal to 0, equal is 7 is equals to 0, then add +7 into it. Otherwise subtract 3. So you will get the output like this. Means this question is same as question number 4, odd and even number, उसी के जैसा है. Next one sample, one more sample is here. अब इसमें क्या है, search the number 2 from the list shown below and copy or add them in a new list. अब हमें इसमें एक नई लिस्ट बनानी है. we have to use empty list. हमें एक empty list बनानी है और उसके अंदर नंबर्स को ऐड कर देना. मीन्स इसमें से वो क्या कह रहा है, वो ये बोल रहा है कि इसमें जितने 2 हैं उनको एक नई लिस्ट में डाल दो. मीन्स इस लिस्ट के अंदर जो 2 है तो इसी के अंदर रहेंगे जो नंबर है, बट यू हैव टू क्रिएट न्यू लिस्ट एंड पुट ऑल द 2 इनसाइड दैट लिस्ट, उसके अंदर डाल देना है. तो सेम कंडीशन वैसी का आपने देखो डिक्लेयर करा है. फर्स्ट यू डिक्लेयर, देन लेंथ इज गोइंग टू बी स्टोर इन अ के. अब देखो मैंने यहाँ पर क्या किया, अभी डिक्लेयर वन मोर वेरिएबल दैट इज न्यू लिस्ट, एक लिस्ट बनाई है. यू नो दैट ऐसे बनाते तो ये एम्प्टी लिस्ट हो जाता है इन बोथ द केसेस. नाउ वी स्टार्ट अ लूप to the last number. You know that start from 0 to 1. Now check all the numbers that they are 2 or not. कह रहा है क्या a of x is equals to 2, कहेगा अगर है तो वो नंबर को आप न्यू लिस्ट में ऐड करो. ऐड करने के लिए क्या होता है, अपेंड. अपेंड से क्या होता है, उसमें नंबर जुड़ते जाते हैं. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी पास दोज नंबर्स जो 2 है a of x से मिल जाएगा. फर्स्ट टाइम a of x is 5, it is not equals to 2, leave it. Now move to the next one. 2, a of x is 2, 2 is equals to 2. Yes, append a of x. तो a of x गया तो नंबर कौन सा चला गया, 2 inside the new list. Same thing, इट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन, कब तक, लास्ट नंबर तक, और उसके बाद आउटपुट आपका इस तरह से आएगा. आई विल शो यू दैट प्रैक्टिकली ऑल्सो, भी दिखाता हूँ मैं कैसे होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट अ पाइथन प्रोग्राम टू सर्च एंड कॉपी ऑल द नेगेटिव नंबर्स to neg list and positive numbers to pos list. Means it is the same concept that we've used here, same thing like this, but you have to add them in a two list. Means first is neg list and second is pos list. Means all the 5, 7, 12, 13, 34 and 8 goes inside the positive list, and -2, -6, -3 and 42 goes to a negative list, means neg list. And you have to use the same concept, here it is, but only the thing is कि यहाँ पर दो condition आ जाएंगे. One is going to check that a positive number, and second, you know that how to check the positive number. A of x is less than 0, it's a negative, otherwise it's a positive. If it is, you put A of x greater than 0, so this part becomes of a positive and the else part of a negative. The line is going to be same, but this thing is going to be erased. Means as you declare this new list, you have to declare two lists here. One is going to be neg list, then you have to press the enter key, and next is going to be pos list and empty list, and that going to be added in the same way like this in this case. So you will get, what is the next one? This is the last question, that is write a Python program to search and copy all the odd numbers to a odd list and all the even numbers to a even list. Same thing, positive and negative, you have to put even and odd in a separate two list. So I'm going to show you practically also that how it is going to work. So if I'm going to use, this is a simple way, I create a new list, these are the numbers, and if they are equals to 2, I'm going to check and it will give me all the 2 in a new list. Here it is, 2 2 2 2 are going to be display. If you want to check that you want to create a only even numbers, so what you will do, you have to put the sign of %2 is equals to 0. Now all the even numbers are going to be added inside the new list, all the even numbers. Same way, if you need to check that the numbers are negative, positive, then change this line. If you want to check positive number, then greater than 0. If you want to check negative number, less than 0, and change these lines also. If you want to declare two list, another list is going to be one more list, new list 2, this is your 2 list. Change that to positive, negative, and put the else part here, this side, this is your else. Now same line is going to be here also. One is going to be, if I'm going to copy this line, copy and paste it here. Now you get the solution of all the questions. Now change that. This means this new list will store negative, this list will store positive. If I change that to %2 equals to 0, so it will store even number, it will store odd numbers. Means this will solve your all the problems. Last questions that your append, where you have to use append sign is going to be used. This function append is going to be used. So go through it.